want to make seamless animation videos without going through hours and hours of editing and animating different clips, I have a solution for you. There is this new AI that lets you make full videos and animation by simply typing what you need into it. This tool helps you create moving animation videos that will blow your mind away, and it is completely free. In today's video, I will walk you through every process and every steps you need to know to get started on this new AI tool. Do well to subscribe to this channel and let's get started. So the first step is in creating our storyline for our animation, and to do this we're going to be using ChatGPT. So if you have a story idea, you can just come over to ChatGPT and develop a story idea, or you have a prompt you want to generate or you want to expand, you can do that on ChatGPT. So what I did was that I came to ChatGPT, I told it to give me story ideas about a boy and a dragon, and I got a lot of story ideas. You can put in whatever works for you, just be creative around this. So I got a lot of story ideas. I picked one and then I told it to expand this and to give me different scenes for this story in 3D pixel style. Okay, so after doing this, it gave me different scenes for the stories, different scenes. So after doing that, I told ChatGPT to give me a prompt for each scene of the story so I can generate consistent character, and I got this prompt for each scenes of the story to help me generate cool characters for this story. Then I went further to say, give me a consistent image prompt for each character so that the image maintains the same face and the same features. And for the first person, the first boy, Kelechi, it gave me a prompt that I would consistently use. And for Amara, it also gave me a prompt I'll consistently use in spaces where I see Amara and Kelechi in the scene. So the next thing you can do is in the image generation, you can decide to generate these images on ChatGPT, or you can use Leonardo AI. So just head over to your browser and type Leonardo AI and you would get an interface that looks like this. Simply just click on get started and it will take you to an interface that looks like this. So all you just need to do is just come over to this prompt part and put in your prompts and go ahead to hit on generate to generate. Now before you hit on generate, you have to make sure that your image dimension is set to whatever you want it to be set on. If you want it on square, if you want it to be on 16 by 9, which is what I'm actually using, or 9 by 16, just go ahead and select what you want, and then you can go ahead to select the number of images you want it to generate per result. Now once that is done and set, go ahead and hit on generate. So I've actually generated all the scenes for my story, as you can see here, and these were done using Leonardo AI. Now these are different scenes for my story. Now once you've generated the different scenes for your story, all you just need to do is just select the one that most suits you and go ahead to hit on download. After doing that, we're gonna go over to the main part, and this main part is changing these images into videos and different scenes that can be used as the story, as a movie, as whatever it is you want to use it for. So you come over and type Magi Sand AI, or click on the link in the description for this website. So once you do that on your browser, you're going to have an interface that looks like this. You can decide to sign in with Google. You can also sign in with Discord or simply just go in with your AI. So I'm just going to go with Google. Once that is done, you're going to get an interface that looks like this. Now, for new users, you're going to get 500 coin that you can use to try out and test this website. Okay, now after you're over here, just go over to Canvas, make sure you're on Canvas and click on create new project. Once you click on create new project, you come over here to this part and click here to upload images or videos from your device. Now once that is selected, all I just need to do is come over to this part to enter the prompt I want my video to make. So over here at this prompt part, I'm just going to put in something simple. So I have a prompt that I'm going to use for this. Once your prompt is set, you come over to this part that has duration. Over here at duration, you can set your duration to whatever duration you want. But once you increase the duration, the credit increases. An additional duration will cost you 10 credits. So you can decide to leave this at 3 seconds and generate using 10 credits. If you want it longer, you go ahead and add the number of seconds you want your video to go for, but this will take more credit. So if it is just a slow video with minimal movement, I would advise that you just leave it at this. If you want something longer, go ahead to set it at the number of seconds that you want. You can do all that here. And over here at variation, I'm just going to leave it at 1. But if you want multiple variations, you can go ahead and add the variations you want. Over here at enhanced prompt and high quality, leave that at on so that it gives you a cinematic experience. Then you go ahead and hit on generate to generate it, and in a few seconds you have your results ready. So our video is ready. This is the image and this is the video we got in less than a minute. So we're just going to click on it and see what it looks like. So this is what our video looks like. You can see the innate movement. You can see that I talk. This is very realistic. Now if you look below here, you can see that this came with a watermark. Do not worry, I'm going to show you how to remove this watermark in one quick and simple step. So head over to this part that you can see the download icon and quickly download your video. Now once that is downloaded, all you just need to do is to click to upload as much images as you want. So you have a full scene, a full story that you can work on, like what you're seeing on my screen right now. Now once you're done with everything and you've uploaded all you need to do, go over to this website, supawork.com. It's going to have an interface that looks like this. Now over here at this interface, we're going to be removing the watermark on it. So quickly just scroll down until you see this part that has AI remover on it and click on try AI remover. Over here at this interface, you have to come over to this part that has AI remover and click on video watermark remover. Now once that is clicked, you come over to this part to upload your video. So far you've seen that I've not signed up, so you can do all this without even signing up to this website. So what you're going to do is to go ahead to select the video you just downloaded. Once that is uploaded, just like what you're seeing on your screen, head over to this part that has brush. You could use the brush, you could use the eraser. I'm going to be trying out the brush. Click on it and then go over to the part that has the watermark and use the brush to take it off, just like what you're seeing there. Now once that is done, you head over to this part that has confirm and click on it. What you just need to do after you've done that is to come over to this part that has create and click on create. And once you click on create, the magic happens. Your watermark will be automatically removed and ready for you to download. Now it's going to tell you the estimated time is 10 minutes, but it literally takes seconds. Now once that is done, just go ahead to download your free watermarked video and you're good to go. Now you can also go ahead and take up all these downloads that you have here, merge them into a story or into a scene or into whatever it is you want to do with them, and that's basically it. Let me know what you think in the comment section, and if this video was useful, if it was helpful, do not to drop a comment in the comment section. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.